up, guys, and good morning, everybody. Guys, this is the best I can do. Still can't get out. I still can't walk around. Still having problems with my toe. It's a little bit better. That's actually not my toe, it's the padding underneath my toe that is sore. So you know what, we're gonna take a little ride up here into Dau. Go through this checkpoint they have here still. I don't know, it's been probably a month or so since I've been up here. Let's see, oh, motorbikes are pushing this way. Nothing really. Nothing. Let you through. I think they're just pretty much checking for face masks. Make sure everybody's wearing a face mask, of course. Yeah, it's been a while since I've actually been up in this area. Everything's open for business. Here's what else is going on here? Oh, I read an article today. President Duterte says he will, I gotta keep an eye out here, he will buy vaccinations for everybody here in the Philippines, except for the rich. The rich can afford their own vaccinations. I guess he was referring to like the poorest of the poor, he said. That's who he plans to buy a vaccination for when it becomes available. The 3 countries he said he will buy from: China. Oh, why not? China created the problem. Let's buy the cure from China. Russia, or the United States of America. That's the 3 he said he will buy from. Like I said, he said, if you're rich, he will not buy you the vaccination. Let's see. That's what I heard. That's what I read in the news. God, people. Is it me, or do people get themselves a bowl of stupid today with driving? Maybe it's just me. This is blinking here. This is blinking. There's no traffic enforcers here, so it's a free-for-all. This jeepney here. There you go. It's a free-for-all there. I'm just glad to be out. I have been pretty much since, well, the last time I went out on that motor ride, I've been pretty much just laying on the couch, elevating my foot. Right there where the exhaust is. You gotta take it easy. I don't want to. It's always a clusterfuck through there. Always. No matter what time of the day you come down through there, it's just because you got the jeepneys there on the right hand side that pull off, and they go about 10 feet and then pull over again. I always said they need a central jeepney pickup drop-off points along here. One every 2 blocks. Everybody walks to that checkpoint and gets on and off there. But then again, what do I know, right? We're just gonna head down here, right through, down to Mcarthur City. Yeah, what else is going on? Oh, I've seen there's a petition, something to do with love is not tourism, or tourism is not love, or something to that effect. It's some type of petition, excuse me, that's going around, and it's not only for the Philippines, it's for other countries, where they're saying, all right, I have a fiance or whatever here in the Philippines or whatever other country. Why should I not be allowed to visit my fiance in the Philippines or whatever country? Because it's not tourism. It's love. I'm here for love. And they're saying that they want to get this petition passed, and hang on, making a power move. They want to get this petition passed, and so they can come here to the Philippines and spend time with their fiance. And well, how's that going to work? You know, how are they going to know who's a fiance or who's playing the game? You know, but yeah, there's some type of petition going around online. Look it up. Like I said, something like love is not tourism, or tourism is not love. Excuse me. Well, yeah, that's something I read also. Will it happen? I don't know. I mean, they are. I guess some countries are allowing it. They do allow it here in the Philippines. You know, they're going to look at where the person's coming from, what country. Hello. All right, let me see what's going on down here. A lot of stuff out on the road for sale. Yeah, this is just always crazy through here. This traffic. It does not matter when you come down through, well, middle of the night, of course. Beyond that, it's just crazy. He's a cowboy. LDT. To the left is Hypermart. Same type of Hypermart. Oh, because everybody's in a U-turn there, that's why. That same Hypermart on the left-hand side. Same type of Hypermart that's in the mall. Alright, let's go. Let's see what we got here. Alright. You know, guys, one of the things that just sucks about not being able to get out and walk around is not being able to get out and show you different things. This past week there was a real bad fire up in Angeles City, like up in the city area, and I want to get up there. I wanted to show you it, but I can't. Evidently, it was, like I said, it was bad. I've seen other videos about it. A lot of things were wrecked, destroyed. But yeah, I know I got to heal, but I don't like not being able to do things, you know? Coming up on motovlogg City. motovlogg City. I'm not going to roll all the way through motovlogg City here. Just go down so far. There used to be a kamikaze memorial, or a kamikaze museum up here on the left-hand side. A lot of artifacts and things like that in it. Evidently it was, if you're not aware of this, the kamikaze, which during World War II, the Japanese airplane pilots started becoming kamikazes. Kamikaze, that was their job. They loaded up their planes full of explosives. They knew what their mission was. Their mission was to crash their airplanes into the Navy ships. That was their mission. They knew what they were doing. Their life, they dedicated it to it. But anyways, the kamikaze pilot and idea was formed here at the Clark Air Force Base, when the Japanese had taken it over during World War II. And this place up here that was on the left, which is no longer there because there's a Kentucky Fried Chicken place there now, was the house where it was originated from. It's gone. That's sad. I don't know. I don't know what happened to the you know, the museum and the artifacts and all that, but I wanted to check it out when a subscriber was here. We came all the way up here, and guess what? It wasn't there. But anyways, here we are. We're in Mavalacat City. I'm going to turn left at this blinking light up here. That's why I'm in this left-hand lane. Looks like they're doing some construction to the left. I got the camera mounted on the front of the bike. Oh, and people are asking, what is your setup you're using with the mic and all that? It sounds good. Other people, you know, can't please everybody. I'm using the GoPro Hero 8 with the, what is it, the mod, the medium mod, and I am using Purple Panda microphone, external microphone with a dead cat on it for the wind noise. I think I can get up through here. Yeah, we're doing it, right? All right. Let me get over here. I want to turn left. I think I can. It doesn't say you can't. All right, here we go. Going left. Guys, here's where I'm going to show you where we're coming out. This is the very back gate of Clark that we're coming up on. And I'm going to take this road up here. It runs parallel with MacArthur Boulevard. That's all it does. And you can come up this side road, or you can come up this road, bypass all of MacArthur Boulevard. And like I said, it's in the back gate off of Clark. I'll take it sometimes if I'm coming out of Clark. It's right up here. They've been working on this road here to the right for a long time, but here it is. This is like I said, the back gate area of Clark. Loops around here. It's a nice open road. No traffic. Some traffic, but not much. And you can move. I'm not going to bore you guys with the road. But when I come out, I'm going to show you where this comes out to. Do your little loop around the little security guys here. Little back checkpoint here. They don't really check you for anything. And that's it. I'll show you where it comes out. All right, guys. So here's where it brings you out. Brings you out right up here. The SM Mall is on the right hand side. I say, it's a nice open road, smooth road, no traffic stops, or no traffic lights, no stop signs. Bam. Cuts all that area of MacArthur Boulevard out going down. Like I said, mall's on the right. Straight ahead is First Street. But anyways, you know what? I'm going to wrap this one up. Once again, guys, take care of yourself, take care of each other, take care of the sick, the elderly, and the young. If you have pets, take care of your pets. And with that, we'll talk to you later.